let's get straight to it. 2005 Honda Accord. This is the 3.0 liter engine. Today we are replacing the air intake hose or the air intake boot on this vehicle, and that's this boot that's right here. You can see this big rip right there, and there's another one right there. So to get this old boot off, we're gonna have to remove this wire here, but I don't want to have to disconnect it because then I'm gonna have to remove the negative battery terminal. So I'm just going to turn this to the side. This might break off, but who cares? It's the old part, and there it goes. So it's broken off there, the old rubber. This is why we're changing this boot. It's so old and torn up. So now we don't have to remove this harness. On this hose clamp here, it looks like a 10 millimeter to get this up. So I'm going to loosen this hose clamp right here. All right, so the easiest way to get this off, because this is so old and brittle, it's hard to get it off the most simple way, which would be to just remove it here and pull it out. It's not really giving any room. I have about this much lip here and about this much lip here that I can't clear. So I'm gonna have to remove the 4 screws or bolts that holds this air filter cover on. So it's just 4 8 millimeter bolts down there to get up, and then we'll be able to go to the next step. All right, if you look right down here, right underneath the boot, you can see there's a couple of tabs that need to be released to get this wire up right here. And once this wire is up, we'll be able to lift this completely up. So I'm going to use this tool here to pry these tabs up. So once I'm able to get this part up above this lip right here, that's when you're able to pull it out of that boot. And just like that, we have it off. All right, so now with this part here removed, I can move this around freely. So I can pull this part here off of here now. All right, so now you see the only thing attached to here is this piece here. So let's go ahead and squeeze that. And now I can get that off mostly. It's off mostly. Now let's just go ahead and pull that off. I'm pretty much going to have to destroy this boot just to get this out of here. That's how problematic this thing is. I'm going to have to destroy this just to get this out. All right, guys, so I managed to get the old boot out, and you can see why we were having so many problems with this. This boot is so brittle, and it doesn't even flex or bend anymore. I'm gonna show you what it's supposed to do. So this is what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to flex and bend. That way we can be able to get this thing off without removing this cover for this filter. But because this thing here is so brittle, it's so brittle and tough, you can't get it to bend at all. And as soon as you try to move any piece of this, it's gonna just crack and break apart. So this is why I had to remove this piece here. Normally we wouldn't have to remove that, and I'll show you by putting the new one on. All right, so to prove to you that we do not need to remove this normally to remove that boot, I'm going to reinstall it by putting this in first, so you can see that this can be done if you have a good boot. So I'm putting this back in place first, and now I'm going to put my screws down. So with the new boots, now look how easy this is going to go on as compared to the old one. So the new one here, you see how it just collapsed onto there with no problem. We can get that on there. Okay. Let's get this hose in here first. All right, so now it's time to replace this hose clamp. Hey. Yeah. Yeah. They might still do it. I think they're just riding around. They came by twice. I have my hose clamp connected here, my big hose clamp connected here. I have my harness wire back where it belongs, and I'm down here. I'm connected down here as well. So that's pretty much it. That's how you change your boot on the 2005 Honda Accord.